Did you know one woman's desperate prayer changed the history of Israel forever? Her name was Hannah. She had no children. Every year, her family went to the temple, and every year, her husband's other wife mocked her. "Where are your children, Hannah?" The pain cut deep. One day, Hannah went to the temple alone. She prayed so hard, she sobbed so loudly, that the priest thought she was drunk. "Put away your wine," he said. But Hannah wasn't drunk. She was broken. "I'm pouring out my soul to God," she said. Then she made a promise that shocked everyone. "If you give me a son, I'll give him back to serve you forever." God heard her prayer. She had a baby boy. His name was Samuel, and Hannah kept her promise. She brought little Samuel to live at the temple. That boy grew up to become one of Israel's greatest prophets. He anointed King Saul. He anointed King David, all because one desperate mother refused to give up on prayer. Follow for more incredible Bible stories.